Hello and welcome back. Now let us discuss one more example from the topic differentiation. Here again we need to obtain dy by dx and y is equal to 3x square plus 2 by x plus 7 minus 4 times tan x plus 5 times sec x. So let us obtain the value for dy by dx. So when we differentiate with respect to x, we obtain dy by dx as, now 3 being the coefficient, we keep it as it is. So 3 times derivative of x square plus 2 being the coefficient remains as it is. So we have 2 times derivative of 1 upon x. Then next is 7. 7 is a constant function. So derivative of the constant function, that is 7, minus 4 being the coefficient, into derivative of tan x plus 5 remains as it is, the coefficient, into derivative of sec x. And now we take the derivatives individually. So 3 times derivative of x square is 2x plus 2 times derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square plus derivative of 7, that's a constant value, so derivative would be 0, minus 4 times, now derivative of tan x is sec square x plus 5 times, now derivative of sec x is given by sec x into tan x. So finally we obtain dy by dx as, now 3 2s are, that becomes 6x, 2 times minus 1, so that is minus 2 upon x square, minus 4 times sec square x plus 5 times sec x into tan x. So this is how we obtain dy by dx.
Like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you.